What's up mga ka-trends? Here's another update of the NY couple. Last day, on a recess activity, Rosas Spearban came home early after promoting her movie with Bright. On Instagram post, Mami Maypla uploaded her cute photo and a short video clip with her pet, Hapa, and caption it, early to go home after work, so love to feel this way, unending love and time. Rasaya was so happy to go home early as she can because she will make a rest with her family. His boyfriend Nadek also busy promoting his another project this year, and this will be the last project he will accept because he will focusing to their future in
สวัสดีครับ
planning
คุณหมอข้าวโพด
for
ครับณ
next
เดชน์นะครับ
year.
เป็นกำลังใจให้นะครับพรุ่งนี้สู้ๆนะครับยิ้มมาดูละครฟันบนสายด้วยนะครับขอบคุณครับ
Nadek Gimilla invites everyone to follow his movie when finally out on screen, and many fans was so happy to see Nadek and also those beautiful kids. No wonder they love so much Nadek because Nadek was very kind to them.